Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing, kind of unboxing two dresses from Ajio.com. One is a very casual kind of a dress. I thought maybe I'll use it for an airport look maybe. And the other one is a party dress. Now the first one, this one is a casual dress. It has some abstract prints, very tribal kind of prints, and the material of it is not very good. In fact, it's kind of bad for the price what I've paid. And this is how it looks, and it is a collared dress, and brand is Mabish by Sonal Jan. Price is 2599, but I'm sure I got a discount on that. And this is in this wrap kind of a style, so it's a wrap dress. You can see the length of it is kind of a mid-length dress, and style is a wrap dress. So I'll just show you how it looks on wearing. So yeah, this is how it looks. And I didn't like the material, I didn't like the way it looks, it falls, and there is no strings to tie it at the back to give you a nice fitting, and this flap of the wrap is going actually nowhere. So I'm pretty much sure that I'm going to return it, and it doesn't look a very a dress in which you can feel confident. So this probably I'm going to return it for sure. And now the second dress, it's a party dress and it's from a brand called Carlton London. I'm sure you must have heard of it. They sell shoes and everything as well. And I have never actually liked anything on me from Carlton London. Let's see if this one is the first one that I like it on me. So this is how it is. It is a sequenced dress from Carlton London, and again the length is the mid-length dress, and it splits from a small slit is there at the bottom of it, and so it's easy for you to walk around and be confident wearing it. So let's see how it looks on wearing. So in all honesty, I really like this dress, and if you're looking for a party dress, go for it. Okay, so this is the zipper on the side, which makes it easy to wear. So yes friends, you can go for this dress, and the shimmer doesn't look cheap, it actually looks expensive, and the price of this Carlton London dress is of 2199, but I got a discount because both the dresses were of around 2400, so it cannot be of 2199. So yeah, this dress also comes with this adjustable strap which you can adjust according to your size, and the inner material is comfortable, so it does not itches, or it is not uncomfortable in your body. So yes friends, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.